Thinking about trying LUV Neuro Drops for better focus, energy, or nerve support? Let's take a quick look to see if it's actually worth your money. Quick disclaimer, this video is based on research and personal opinion. LUV Neuro Drops is a liquid supplement that claims to support nerve health, improve focus, and boost energy levels. It contains a blend of medicinal mushrooms like lion's mane, cordyceps, reishi, and chaga, plus turmeric extract. The company also promises a 100% money back guarantee, which sounds reassuring. But when you look at actual customer feedback, the results are mixed. Some users say the drops taste fine and help a bit with mental clarity. Others complain that the product did nothing after weeks of daily use. One reviewer even reported headaches after every dose and issues with being charged multiple times through auto shipments. So, is Love Neuro Drops legit? It's not a straight up scam, but it's also not a miracle cure. While the ingredients are promising, real world results may vary a lot. If you're curious, the money back guarantee might give you a safety net, but be careful with auto ship settings. Thanks for watching. If you've tried Love Neuro Drops, let us know your experience in the comments. Like and subscribe for more honest reviews.